This will be technical, a lot of names for things, but those are just words for how things work, and that's interesting. How the brain works, or the mind-body connection, or the CNS-PNS, central peripheral nervous systems. Afferent and efferent nerves, just technical terms for either sensory or motor nerves. It's just two kinds of neurons, going inward or going outward, to the brain or away and to the body. Inward is sensory, information about what's not the brain, information to the brain, whether in the body or from the world. Outward going neurons are motor nerves, getting things done, either muscle or organ, somatic or autonomic. The brain communicates with the body in only two ways, through motor nerves or through hormones. Nerves are a direct line like a cable. Hormones float through the bloodstream, hoping to be picked up by cell receptors, something like fish and nets. This is how exercise makes muscles grow. An exercised fiber becomes more receptive to hormones. Hormones are released when enough fibers are exercised. So it's central nervous system, and it's also endocrinal, hormonal. The CNS, central nervous system, the brain, and the spinal cord. It develops first as a sort of looped tube, eventually with 6 parts, the spinal cord and the 5 parts of the brain. But it's a tube. It's not an addition thing, this development. Not one part of the brain developing, then another one, and then yet another, and so on. It's all there, inherent from the beginning. It all happens all at once, with all vertebrates, the way you'd blow up a plastic bag. There is no fish brain and lizard brain and mammal brain. There are just bigger or smaller parts of the brain depending on taxonomy. The cerebrum of a fish is smaller than its eyeball. A rat's cerebrum is the size of its ear. Human brains fill up everything behind the eyes and up, but it's all the same basic plastic bag, just different shapes. So that's the body and the brain. It's not the same thing as mind or soul. Think of it as music, flute music. What makes it? The breath of the player, the shape of the instrument? Well, both, but not only both. Music is not breath plus flute. That would be noise. We are made by genetics and shaped by experience. But we are not breath through a flute, not experience acting through genes. We are music, inspiring as well as respiring. Have a great day.